Here's my 1999 Kirby G6. You guys may not have seen this for a while. Figured I'd make another video of it. It's fully refurbished by a friend of mine, and it's got the original bag tag on here. This is indeed a 99 model. It's got Ultimate G pedals on it, but that's fine. It was completely redone, so it's like new almost. The bumper's in incredibly good condition. It did have a warped fan in here. The fan blades were a little bit warped, probably from heat. But I have since put a brand new fan kit in here, so it sounds a lot more normal now. It sounded a little funny before, so here it is. there is my 1999 Kirby G6 again. I forgot to mention, of course, it has an LED light in it. So it's a beautiful, really good machine. I love it a lot. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.